Okay, so video I'm not pro line will creating YouTube channel will finish but also line will look fall late now look ask him how to creating YouTube channel yeah. Okay, this la one short video how to creating YouTube channel or phone blog. Me look at the channel me creating me creating using laptop so me no have talk laptop. Me but total side the phone because me say use phone. Okay, let's say that you know got YouTube account, but you got one phone. So all the phone you buy, one still come one play YouTube app. You click load or Google products by looking YouTube app stuff inside yeah. So time you click load YouTube app yeah, you going to YouTube now. So once inside the YouTube, by looking more similar video na by looking more one so suppose you know got suppose you know got YouTube account. By you check him lo profile view. So profile view can the phone do me stop area and me click long him now. So once me click long him now you look him. Time me create lo click lo sila email you look him. Me no got channel. Time lo long ene. I'm all right him awesome. Create channel so me click lo sila. So once me click lo create channel now. I'm now me creating channel blum yeah. So after me click lo create channel created finish. Also now you look him now yeah create here look him. Me say call him just create here. Just let minimum se me got channel finish. So time me click here look him. All options below upload the video na short come tap so. Now you can start uploading more video na kind of now. But if you like change him name below channel now. Change him name to channel in a way that one can channel is in personal channel or cooking channel or rugby channel or whatever click the settings yeah. So once you click the settings now you look him. But you can edit it, look him. So also information or start in the same information lo email me been got long and so now look him. So for example, lo this la YouTube channel le. This la me like create him one black cooking channel le. So me go now me change the name to channel le look him. So me type him PNG cooking channel go inside. So once me finish creating, typing finish, me click save. I'm now looking PNG cooking channel. And type me say me. I'm now named the channel now PNG cooking channel now. So come down below by looking handle. Sila handle is important because suppose all man all pine you, all by using say handle or pine you. So since I'm me been using PNG cooking channel le, down below to me must put one kind handle, but one kind of same name to channel le. So the time man like comment na or like mentioning you na or like finding you, all can use him a specific handle or finding you. It's like the latest feature of YouTube. All introduced him some 3 or 4 months ago. Okay, and then after that you can write him a description now. Description meaning that that channel you create him and blow on him. So because me been typing me been like working the channel or some the PNG cooking channel. So description of the channel me just go type anything, one something like PNG cooking dishes. So I mean like me no sabe too much to cook, but like PNG dishes or PNG recipes. So you type in description. You can write a paragraph come down, but for the sake of one name, we write in PNG cooking. That's all. After that, you click save. Now you got YouTube channel finished. So after all get something now, you may go refresh. Now you may try and go back and go inside the YouTube app and I may try and check him. Look at YouTube channel blame here. So you click the profile blame and then look in PNG cooking channel start inside. You click the app now by go inside there. So when you got channel finished, so look at me. Click the create here. Now you can upload the video here. So look at time me click here. Look at video start inside low. Phone blame here. So me can choose in one video to upload them. So me click the video block kerenga kuaya. So once we click long and me click next. Once you click next, now you add the title of the video on top. So since I want like PNG cooking channel, me working let's say KK cooking pig or KK try to show us how to cook pig in Simbu way or kind of One em title. Lem depend lo video blue how you upload him. Let me give example ta sola. So once you type him, okay, finish now. You got on narapla section start description. You press him na description and you write him description the video. So video logo na something some short description you write him because also description you must write him good because you must include him with keywords here. Or keywords where it's a video in total loan because time all man more come sets lo YouTube or can say some lang sa America number no la kam lo PNG na tourism number na kan say all one me tourist all okay PNG sa kuki one kan okay all bakam tram to PNG dishes number. If you put him good all keywords blue video blue can show up and all can watch him la America. So once you work and finish you go to slap or talk for kids or not for kids, you must click him. No, it's not for kids. Because suppose you click him for kids, all kids on monos are monetize him. And because all kids population on a productive population, you must click this video is not for kids. So once you click him not for kids, and then you click upload, because you got a difference here. Also video block kids now, all video block also video where you know block kids here. Not for kids, minimum all video with big man. You can monetize it on it. Kids are unproductive population. All no. So suppose you been clicking for kids here, and video building up all not monetizing because YouTube algorithm but look at you want them minimal slow videos for kids so all not monetizing. So the site uploading pro pic and one can sell Facebook. You go click him so your profile picture, you go inside, pick on the profile picture you been put him inside and up. Time Adam na Eve all walking wrong lo Garden of Eden. Big man kerap talking Adam Mosem. But you at work. Na Mary Blue Eve mbakai kai. Sila law universal law. Now I'm still apply to this thing. You may at work something in back. Law and order breakdown lo country and because you may let burukim sila law. You may like shortcut. Olyang lo mangi you may olim gan life and basot. You may not start go lapu na die. No need lo. Emphasize lo sila because you may go look him. Emo lo kama Facebook now get something good. Kind of opportunities now YouTube na. It's not YouTube alone. You can market, you got ground, you can plan him or something. You work towards your future, bro. Love big man I'm talking this. You at work something back on. If you look more on sell low, but you need to put him in effort past them, fruit back on. You plan it now, tomorrow you know nakai. But you wait time more right, but take months. Like I know lo garden ba right na kai. Everyone can do YouTube to me to talk them. Why did you put him effort past them or something in back on? So if you meet abide by the law, big man have been given Adam. Why Mr. Afraid of trouble? Please, you lim gun and boy die young. Gun them no answer. Gun them outdated way blow or something. Now you look him. Time and change. You man you lim gun before maybe and walk, but now you lim gun and you die. Man more school chim big plus away. No still in cello government. Government not lim time and send anything. But my whole point is you have to work by exercise. Keep yourself busy now. Just stay out of trouble. That's the only way where you can stop go looking. We begin to go to Muna. But me like talk some. Me got on the book where me like sharing one thing. I'm all call him a YouTube for dummies. It's a book and content all get a little something way. You start in YouTube long and then by need to away and discussing all get just something. I mean, me really a much time finish na. Me like share one tape. The book and PDF copy install a phone. I me can sell him through WhatsApp. So suppose you interested, number me put him start. You interested, you can WhatsApp me on number na. People cut him sa deal out. I'm to talk low. How about you get started one time YouTube channel? How about you working more good videos? How about you grow him YouTube channel na? How about you grow na by you several audience below? How about you discussing plenty ways below? Tanem YouTube channel below gonzalo business thing. How about you build him channel below from ground up? Like from nothing you can build him go want them plenty followers na silakan. By building value inside the YouTube channel. Na plenty or something I'm discussing more important or something where by you need to solve. About 371 page book so plan something you plan need to solve. Maybe you can educate me play to silapat. Me olim stop. WhatsApp number I'm stop ya. Can contact email to WhatsApp number na. Bangla sote makotso.